Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the user permission set feature works in Salesforce Tool Suite. You can find this feature under the Reports tab and under the User Permission Set tile. When you click on it, you can find all the user that is present in your own org. Here I am selecting 3 users. And when I click on Export Excel, a Excel report will get downloaded in your local system. When you see the report that is downloaded, you can find that how many permission sets are assigned to a particular user. You can also find how many permission set groups are assigned to a particular user. So you can see that demo permission set is assigned to Abhinav. And you can also find another uh, another column over here that is demo. This demo is coming because this is a permission set, and since Abhinav has access to this permission set, so that is why yes is coming over here. And demo is not assigned to Yash and Umang. That is why no is coming over here. So that is all about this feature. Thank you and have a nice day.